In this video, I'm going to explain how you can send money from Zelle to Venmo. So, although Venmo and Zelle don't have a direct transfer option, you can still move money between them by linking a bank account to both, so the same bank account to both. Keep in mind that to add money to your Venmo balance, you must be eligible for the Venmo debit card. Now, follow these steps I'm going to show you to be able to transfer money between the two platforms. So first, you will have to link your bank account to Venmo. So if you initially signed up with a debit card, you can still add a bank account by following these steps. So just open up the Venmo app, tap on Me, which is your profile picture, and then select Wallet, tap Add a Bank or Card, choose Bank, select a verification method, and then enter your bank account details. Now, once you've done this, step 2 is to then link your bank account to Zelle. So most banking apps actually have Zelle built in, but if your bank supports it, you can just open up your bank's app, locate and activate Zelle, and then confirm your personal and banking information. However, if your bank doesn't offer Zelle, you can simply download the Zelle app from the App Store for iOS and Google Play Store for Android, and then enroll using a Visa or MasterCard debit card from your bank. Then after that, you can simply transfer money between the apps because you have connected both the apps to the same bank account. So the way you do this is you can either first send from Zelle to your bank account and then from your bank account to Venmo, or you can send from Venmo to bank account and then from your bank account to Zelle. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.